In 300 meters, keep right at the fork. In 600 meters, keep left at the fork.
About an hour into our drive, this SUV flies past us going 100 miles an hour. When I look over, I see that it's an older guy. He's probably 75 years old. So I knew right away, like, that's kind of unusual for someone his age to be speeding that much.
There he goes. Oh. This guy's having...
What is he doing?
He's probably having like a seizure or a heart attack or something.
Should someone just...
Here he
Oh
goes.
my god.
Need to block him in.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here he
Oh my
goes.
god. Oh. No, 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 no. Okay, yeah, please just... Watch out, baby.
Oh my god.
How did he miss that sign?
Jesus. We need to pull him over.
Should we get him? Pull over? There we go.
Should we?
Yeah.
Shit. Is he gonna hit me?
Oh my god, is he not?
Come on. Stop.
Is he stopping?
Don't hit me. Don't fucking hit me.
Open the door. Hey, the car. Open the window. Hey, that car. You open the window all the way. Can you put in the car, please? Put in the car. All the way. There you go.
What? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I tried to stop them.
We got him recording like
They went off the road to go around me when I tried to stop them last time. Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're fine.
I got their keys, so just wait for the cops here.
Are you okay?
Yeah, he's.
What have y'all been
No, I
doing?
don't. I think he needs to be a police officer.
Were you trying to pass people on the grass? Or you were not trying to pass them, you were just drifting off? You haven't been drinking?
So after about 5 minutes of watching this car drive all over the place and almost wreck multiple times, they finally pull over, and when they do, we were in front of them pretty far forward, but they eventually creep up on us and hit us a little bit. It was just a scratch, not a big deal, but still, it's kind of crazy. And we find out they're both diabetic. The lady had a grand mal seizure the night before, so they had been up for 24 hours. The driver took some NoDoz, which are caffeine pills. When the ambulance arrived, they could not find anything wrong with the driver. So the police actually let them drive away, which we thought was kind of crazy, but you know, I guess that's how it works.
that upset you? Do something. Go right ahead.
Interestingly, South Korea's government was also now calling the rockets projectiles to minimize the storm. This because of a regime in Pyongyang that was beseeching the world for food for its supposedly starving people, but still had enough spare change.
I have a camera. I have a camera. I have a camera. He caught you, cut me off. I have a camera. It caught you cutting me off.
In fact,
I have a camera. Come on.
put out a
Come
statement
on.
that he concluded by committing to keep Abe informed, but not to worry, because the launches were short range
Go ahead.
and not really missiles.
Yeah.
If he said it enough.
You hit my whole car, dude. Pull over. Pull over. Dude, I'm literally... Where the are you gonna go? Pull over! You hit my car! I'm calling the police. Hi, I just got hit by a vehicle and I tried to get him to pull over and he's not pulling over. I have dashcam footage and a license plate photo. And that's where I'm at right now with my life. Dude.
hit your mirror. How did I hit your mirror? I hit a mirror on.
Oh my god, I did not mean to do that. I'm about to get pulled over. Hello. Okay.
You can't be crossing over that white line.
I know, I'm sorry. I got nervous with the cars. I'm sorry.
In your lane. You can't cross the white line.
I know.
Get your license. Before you get your road test, you gotta drive with someone who's got a Class M license. You know that, right?
Okay.
Let's take your license and right back. Right?
Okay, no problem.
Here's your license, your permit, registration, insurance.
Yep.
I gotta give you a couple of tickets and explain what for.
Okay.
Alright, one for the reason why I stop you, crossing over that double white. You can't do that. You gotta wait till you get down to the proper entrance to get into the lane. Same thing applies once you're in the lane, you gotta use the proper exit to get out. You can't just drive across the line, that will.
Okay.
Two, you're not a licensed Class M operator. You only got a learner permit. Which means you gotta have a licensed Class M rider with you at all times until you pass your road test.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah, I understand that.
And three, your bike registration has expired since April. It's 2 months ago. You gotta renew that.
Oh, it expired?
Huh?
It expired?
Yeah, all bikes expire every April, every year.
Oh, because I just got this bike like
Huh?
I just got this bike like 2 months ago.
Well, it's expired. Once April 30th comes, your registration's up. That's it. It's over. You gotta renew it online now.
Oh, online? Okay.
Renew it online at the DMV website.
I didn't know that. I'm sorry. Do you know how much that would be exactly? Do you know how much that would be?
I think the court's website I can find on there.
Okay.
Just go to the website. It'll tell you everything.
I'm not sure. My bike might not start because it had like a dead battery, so I don't know if it's gonna start
Try
right.
it first. Put those away to try and start it off.
Okay.
If it won't start, I'll give you a joke.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.